If you're looking for a way to grow your small business more efficiently, Salesflare could be the game-changing tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Salesflare for small business growth and why it's a perfect fit for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their processes. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use this software to take your sales pipeline to the next level. First off, Salesflare is a smart CRM that helps small businesses manage customer relationships more effectively. It's designed to automatically capture and organize contact information and sales data, making it an ideal tool for small business owners who want to grow without getting bogged down by admin. What sets it apart is its automation. Salesflare doesn't just track leads, it actively helps you convert them into customers by bringing in valuable insights from your interactions. The best part? You can start using it for free through the link below, with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started quickly. Let's break it down. Once you sign up for Salesflare, you'll notice that it's super intuitive. Unlike other CRMs that can be overwhelming, Salesflare simplifies the entire process. When you add a contact or a lead, it pulls in all the information automatically, whether it's from email, social media, or other apps you're using. No more wasting time manually entering details or chasing down follow-ups. The software connects with your email and calendar to pull in all the interactions, so you can see everything in one place, giving you a clear picture of where each lead stands. Salesflare doesn't just track your leads, it helps prioritize them. The software uses its automation to rank your leads based on their engagement level, which means you can focus on the prospects most likely to convert. This way, you're not wasting time chasing leads that are unlikely to become customers. The system also tracks your sales activities, such as meetings and follow-ups, so nothing falls through the cracks. One of the most powerful features of Salesflare is its integration with other tools you might already be using, like Gmail, Outlook, and Slack. These integrations ensure that you won't need to juggle between different apps. Salesflare works seamlessly with your existing workflow, saving you time and effort and letting you focus on closing deals. Plus, the software is designed to work on mobile, so you can track your leads and manage your sales pipeline on the go. Essential for business owners who are always on the move. When it comes to growing your small business, communication is key. Salesflare makes it easy to stay in touch with your leads and customers. It includes automated follow-ups, reminders, and even custom email templates, so you never miss a beat. Whether you're sending a quick thank you note or scheduling a follow-up email after a meeting, Salesflare handles the tedious stuff, giving you more time to focus on building relationships and growing your business. Another great thing about Salesflare is its reporting and analytics. It gives you insights into your sales pipeline, helping you identify trends, track progress, and adjust strategies when needed. This data-driven approach allows you to make smarter business decisions that can help accelerate your growth. By using Salesflare for small business growth, you're not just getting a CRM, you're getting a tool that actively helps you build and nurture relationships with your leads. Whether you're a solopreneur or a small team, the automation and data-driven insights will save you time and give you a competitive edge. And don't forget, this software is available to you completely free through the link below, and we've even got some exclusive bonuses to help you get started with everything you need for growth. Don't miss out on this extended free trial. It's the perfect opportunity to see if Salesflare is right for you. If you're serious about taking your small business to the next level, Salesflare can help you streamline your sales processes and boost growth. Start your free trial now and see for yourself how easy it is to manage leads and build strong customer relationships.